Welcome to lecture series on data structures. In today's lecture series, we are going to discuss about a linear structure called as the stack linker list. Now look at this example. Uh, what do you see from this example? It is train, right? So train can be considered as connection of compartments. So here each compartment is connected with the help of a chain, and that chain acts as a reference to the next compartment. So linked list, it is a special type of data structure where all the elements are linked together. Uh, so each value or element is stored inside a node, and it is a collection of nodes, and every node has two parts. One is the data field, other one is the pointer field or the address field. So this is an example for how linked list will look like. It consists of various nodes that are connected together. Each node has data field and reference to the next node in the list. So here is an example why we need to use linked list. Consider the problem where you need to store more than marks of more than 50 students. In that case, you cannot increase the memory of the array, and sometimes because I have initialized the array marks to 50, which means the size of array marks is 50. So if you cannot increase the memory of array, and sometimes you need to store marks of the students less than and the number of students marks that you are going to store will be less than 50 also. In that case, extra memory will be wasted. To overcome this problem, we go for the concept linked list. Because in case of linked list, memory is created at the runtime and not during the compile time. So here are few of the advantages of the linked list. Uh, advantages is uh, memory wastage will not be there, and if even if you want to resize the memory, yes, it is possible with linked list, but still it has some limitations, which includes for some data in linked list we need extra memory space, and we need some extra memory for space for both data as well as address part. That is one drawback of linked list. So linked list can be classified into three types, such as singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list, based on the number of address field it is having. If it points to only the next node in the list, it is singly linked list. And if each node points to the previous node as well as next node in the list, it is called doubly linked list. And when there is a direct connection between first node and the last node in the link, it is circular linked list. So here's the definition. In case of singly linked list, item navigates in forward direction only, whereas in case of doubly linked list, item can navigate in both forward as well as backward direction. In case of circular linked list, the last node or last item, it contains the link of the first element as next, and first element has a link of last element as previous. This is the case with circular doubly linked list. So, hope you understood why we go for linked list from array concept. In order to overcome the drawback of array, such as memory size is limited, and there are few other drawbacks in array implementation, such as insertion and deletion operation involves more cost, whereas the insertion and deletion operation is quite easier in case of linked list. However, the search operation, which is easy in array, is difficult to perform in linked list. Because in case of array, you can easily locate the element with the help of index, which is not possible in linked list. And operations that can be performed in array, linked list is similar to array. However, the insertion and deletion can be performed in three ways, such as you can insert a value at beginning of the list, or you can insert a value at end of the list, or you can insert anywhere in middle between two nodes. So similarly, deletion also can happen in three ways, like you can delete a node from the beginning of the list, or you can delete a value from end of the list, or you can delete a value from anywhere from the middle. So insertion and deletion can be performed in three different ways, and in case of linked list. Uh, so in the next lecture series, we will look into the routines or procedure for performing this insertion, deletion, and find operation in case of singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list. So hope you understood what is linked list and what are its advantages and disadvantages. and the types, various types of linked list is also clear, I think. So the circular linked list, typically it is of two types: circular singly linked list and circular doubly linked list. Circular, in case of circular singly linked list, only the last element will have a pointer to the first element, whereas in case of circular doubly linked list, the last element will have a reference to first node, and first element has a link to the last element as previous. Thanks for watching. Continue watching. In the next lecture series, we will discuss about the procedure for inserting and deleting a node from singly linked list.